Hello everybody, this is Matador from freetradingvideos.com. It's 8:41 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on the 17th of February 2010. So we are looking at a higher open this morning. Nice run up into the 109. Good break of that yesterday into the 109.50. Nice extension of that into the close. Good test of 110 and now pre-market as we base here. And we are now above 110. We're using that as support, so this all-important 110 mark we're now back working with, even to the point where at around 8:42, like I said, we're at 110.42. On a higher time frame, to scrunch up the chart, that's better than a gap fill, but almost to the penny here, the way it closed. So really nice to have taken apart this gap yesterday. It was an unfilled gap. We've now done a 100% retracement of that sell-off, and now the 110.50 mark, even if you remove the pre and post market data, you'd be able to see that a little clearer. So let's do that. I can sort of take this apart, zoom in a little bit. And so here we are again at the 110.50 area this morning. So right here is where we would open if we open right now. That is into the declining 200 MA. Always good to talk about the opposite side of the coin as well. So I'm going to be watching how this gap fills this morning if we do open where we are right now. On a smaller time frame, of course, it's hard to even see that on a chart. We're about a point higher than this, which is fairly impressive. So let's take apart and look at the market internals, the way they closed yesterday. The trend spent almost all day long below 0.6 and between 0.6 and 0.5, so it's very nicely bullish. Good confirmation of the move up. Trend Q, even nicer. So lower highs, lower lows started consolidating toward the end of the day. Still very nicely bullish. And the VIX had dropped off very well. We talked about that and consolidated beautifully. On a higher time frame, the VIX is into the support area. We talked about this gap and being careful about trading long into this. I would love to see the 22 mark break, which would also be the 60-minute 200 MA violation to a lower of this mark at the 21 area. So 21, the swing low, that would be a good area of support going forward, and we'll have to watch that for the broad markets going long. So good stuff. Today will be a great day to watch, again, how the broad markets take apart any gaps that we still have at the open. So good stuff. That's all I'll be watching, and I'll be right back with you around noon to see how things are shaping up, and I'll talk to you soon.